Ugh, not now. Let me sleep. Just 5 more minutes. Ugh, oh, come on. Why did we plan such an early trip? Early morning sleep is the sweetest. All right, Ada. Time to get up. You wanted a challenge, so here it is. Warm water first, then wake up Noah. If I don't wake him now, we will definitely get late. Noah, wake up! It's 4 a.m. already.
I'm awake. Just give me 5 minutes.
No, no, no. 5 minutes for you means 30 minutes.
It's too hard to wake up at this hour. Wee hours are torture.
Still worth it. Early morning weather in summer is beautiful. Cool breeze, quiet roads, totally worth it.
True. Fine, I'm getting up.
Drink some water and wash your face. It helps.
I need coffee to help, but okay.
We'll have coffee after we leave. Let's double check everything first. Water bottles, snacks, raincoats, first aid kit, torch, power bank, sunglasses. Please.
Do we really need jackets? It's summer.
Mountains can surprise you. Just throw a light one in.
Okay, done.
Did you pack the umbrella? It looks partly cloudy outside.
Yes, I packed the big umbrella, just in case.
Good.
Do we have the stove?
Yes.
Gas can?
Yes.
Sleeping bags?
Both packed. I double-checked.
Okay, perfect. Should we call Mia and Leo now?
Hello, I'm awake. Don't worry, I'm just packing snacks.
Good. Don't forget your jacket.
Already in the bag.
Morning. I'm already outside. Where are you two?
We're leaving in 10 minutes. Don't rush.
I'm not rushing. The weather is so good, I couldn't stay home.
Okay, stay there. We'll be there soon. All right, Noah, let's go. If we start late, we'll miss the sunrise.
I'm ready.
Finally, let's start our summer mountain ride.
Wow. It's still dark, but what a tranquil environment.
Right. It feels like the whole world is still asleep.
And the fragrance, this fresh, earthy smell, it's like nature is saying good morning.
That's wet soil from the night breeze. I love this smell.
Oh, look! Leo is already there.
Finally. I thought you two went back to sleep.
Very funny. We're only 5 minutes late.
5 minutes? I've been here for 20.
That's your problem. You get ready faster than time.
Hey, good morning, sleepyheads. You're late too. Only by 8 minutes. That doesn't count.
Everything counts, especially in the morning.
The weather feels perfect. Cool, but not cold.
Yeah, there's a gentle breeze. Just enough to wake you up. And the air smells so fresh. I love mornings like this.
Same. No humidity, no sticky heat, just clean air.
Look at the sky. Partly cloudy, but still brightening. I love this early summer vibe. Listen, the birds are waking up.
Yeah, their calls echo so clearly in the morning silence. I love this sound. It's better than any alarm.
And look at the trees. The leaves are glowing in the faint light.
I didn't realize how relaxing early roads can be. No traffic, no honking.
Exactly. This is why I forced you to wake up at 4 a.m.
Okay, fine. Totally worth it.
Same here. I usually hate waking up early, but today feels special.
Yeah, peaceful mornings like this are rare.
Look, the sky is turning orange.
Yes, the sunrise is coming. We're right on time. Those clouds are beautiful, like they're glowing from inside. Oh, wow. Look at the fields. They're shining in the sunlight. Yeah, the colors look so soft. Green, yellow, a bit of gold.
The breeze is stronger here. It feels so good on my face.
Countryside air hits different. Fresh, clean, and peaceful.
Look at those dewdrops on the grass. They're sparkling.
Oh, yes. They look like tiny crystals. It's because the sun is hitting them at the perfect angle.
And listen, no city noise, just wind and birds.
Shh, hear that? The crops are moving with the breeze.
Feels like nature is whispering. Look, those cows are already awake.
Lucky them. Their morning is always peaceful.
Even the farmers start early. They're already working in the fields.
Sometimes I wish I had this calm life. Let's take a small break. My legs need one.
Same. I'm already hungry.
We just started.
Still, hunger has no rules.
Drink some water. We have a long way to go.
Hydrate yourself.
Take a deep breath.
Stretch your legs.
Let's not rush. We have the whole day.
Okay, team. Let's move before the sun gets too bright.
Right. The countryside is beautiful. I don't want to leave it yet.
Don't worry. There's more ahead. Rivers, mango trees, forests.
And maybe rain too. The clouds look a bit heavier now.
Adventure coming. Hey, I can hear water. Are we near a river?
Yes, look on the left. Wow, it's beautiful.
This place is perfect for a break.
Definitely. And I need to cool my feet.
Look at that. You can even see the stones at the bottom. The water looks so clean. Should we dip our feet?
Already doing it. This is cold, but amazing.
Okay, I'm trying to. Whoa, this is freezing.
It feels cold because it's still early morning. Look, tiny fish near my feet. Aw, they're so cute.
Careful, they might bite.
Stop, they're harmless.
These small moments make trips memorable.
Who wants juice?
Me, and maybe some biscuits?
Let's take a photo here. Yes, the lighting is perfect.
Wait, my hair is a mess.
It's always a mess.
The breeze is stronger near the river.
And the sky is still partly cloudy. Perfect cycling weather.
But those darker clouds on the right might bring rain later.
Rain? That could make this trip even more fun. Okay, team, time to move.
Guys? Why did the sky turn so dark?
Yeah, a moment ago it was bright. Wait, I felt a drop on my arm.
Oh no, it's starting.
Don't say it.
It's rain. Definitely rain. Whoa, that escalated fast.
Run, run, find shelter.
The wind is getting stronger. This is not normal drizzle.
Noah, do you have the umbrella?
Yes. Thank God I carried my big umbrella. Otherwise, we'd be drenched already. The wind is too strong.
Forget the umbrella. We need to find a place to set up the tent.
There, under those big trees, the ground looks flat.
Hurry! The downpour is getting heavier. The winds are so strong. How do we pitch the tent like this? We'll have to hold it down together.
The fabric keeps flapping. I can't even see what I'm doing.
Keep the poles steady. Otherwise, the whole thing will fly away.
Ah, it's attacking me.
It's not attacking you. It's the wind.
This side is sagging. The water is dripping through the fabric.
We need to tighten the rope. That should stop the water.
The ground is soggy, but if we adjust the angle, the rain will slide off.
Got it. The dripping stopped. Put the sleeping bags inside quickly. They're getting wet.
Unzip them and spread them out. They'll dry faster.
I love how soft and warm sleeping bags feel on cold nights.
There are little beds in the mountains.
The ground is getting soggy. My shoes are sinking.
The water is dripping from the leaves. Everything is slippery.
We have to fix this quickly. Otherwise, we won't be able to set up camp at all.
This sudden downpour makes it impossible to light a fire.
Hold the corner. I'm putting the pole in.
Mia, pass me the rope. Here, but it's all wet.
Just tie it. We don't have time to complain.
Yes, it's up.
I can't believe we actually did it.
This feels like winning an Olympic medal.
Okay, everyone inside before the wind blows it away again.
Listen to that. The rain is so strong.
My clothes are dripping wet. I can squeeze water out of my sleeves.
The air outside is freezing. Good thing we brought sleeping bags.
And lanterns. It's getting dark inside the tent.
Switch on the lantern.
Done.
Wow, the yellow light makes it feel so cozy in here.
Much better than being outside fighting the storm.
So, can we cook now?
Yes, let's start the stove. Even with the rain pouring, cooking feels magical.
True. The steam from the kettle is warming my face already.
Pass the marshmallows.
Toasting marshmallows on a rainy day. Perfect.
Nothing beats warm food cooked outdoors.
Even when it's a rainy night, the rain makes it feel cozier.
This trip is turning into an adventure.
Honestly, I'm loving it. Adventures make the best stories.
Whoa, look at everything. The rain made the world look new.
Yeah, the leaves look brighter, and the earth smells amazing.
This smell. Petrichor. Fresh soil after rain. It's the best.
The sky is clearing up too. The clouds are lifting from the mountaintops.
Let's take out the tent and spread it out.
Yeah, it needs to dry before we pack it properly.
I'll help with the poles.
Once that's done, we can get back on the cycles.
Whew, uphill cycling is no joke.
Come on, slow and steady. Don't rush. My legs are crying, but my heart is happy.
Think about the view waiting for us at the top.
Guys, look to your left.
Oh my, that valley looks unreal. It looks like a painting. The greens, the mist, the sunlight.
Totally worth the struggle.
I can hear a waterfall somewhere.
Yeah, the flow must have increased because of the rain. Guys, we have to stop here.
Agreed. This spot is breathtaking.
Look at the clouds floating below us. We're almost level with them.
This is why I love mountains. They make you feel small in a good way.
You know, cycling all the way here, fighting rain, wind, mud, it felt tough.
But look at us now, sitting here, watching this view, worth every second. Trips like this remind me how beautiful nature is. We forget it in the city.
And how strong we can be when we push ourselves.
Cycling like this improves stamina.
And boosts mood. I feel lighter.
It clears the mind. No stress, no tension.
Plus, it's eco-friendly. No pollution. Just pure effort and fresh air.
And it brings friends closer. Look, the clouds are opening up. The mountains look golden now.
This is like watching nature paint in real time.
Let's stay a few minutes more. I want to remember this. Group photo.
Of course, this moment deserves it. Set the timer.
Guys, this trip wasn't perfect.
Yeah, sudden rain, strong winds, soggy ground.
Flipped umbrella.
Tent battle.
But all these imperfect moments made the trip perfect.
True, adventures aren't comfortable, they're memorable.
And today, we made a beautiful memory.
To more journeys like this.
Home sweet home. I can't believe we did all that in one day.
Yeah, feels like we lived a whole movie.
My legs are done, but my heart is full.
Same here. Totally worth every moment.
Thanks for the day, guys. This was something special.
And that's why it's fun.
All right, go rest. Long showers for everyone.
And long naps.
Good night, team.
See you tomorrow.